Hello student, welcome to all for class 5th social study chapter 8 natural resources. Children, let us memorize what we have learned in our previous classes. In this chapter we have studied in our previous classes. Let us memorize once again what we have learned in our previous classes, children. We have studied about the water, natural resources and classification of natural resources. They are renewable natural resources and non-renewable natural resources. And let us memorize what are natural resources, children. The natural resources are valuable things which provided to us by the nature. That means they are occur in the nature. They are available by naturally. So they are called as a natural resources. For example, tree and plants, animals, water, air. So this we have already studied in detail in our previous classes, and also we have studied non-renewable resources also. Non-renewable and renewable resources also in our previous classes. These are classification. So today the topic is the last topic of in this lesson is, that is conservation of natural resources. That means today topic is, children, conservation of natural resources. Let us discuss in detail this topic, children, today topic. So what is conservation of natural resources? That means what? The meaning of the conservation is protect or protection. How to protect our natural resources? That is the topic, children. The protection. Because it is very important to protect our natural resources nowadays. Because, children, presently the natural resources are getting exhausted. Exhausted means completed. That means in future they are not available, the natural resources also, because due to the overpopulation and growing up our needs. So these are the main reason. That's why the natural resources are getting exhausted, are completed. Resources they will completing in future. Because, children, we are cutting trees, forest. We are clearing the forest. We are cutting trees, and we are polluting the air as well as water due to the various our activities. So this is the reason, children. That's why our resources also, natural resources are getting in future. Natural resources are they are not coming back. They may be exhausted. In renewable resources also getting exhausted in future. Because if we are moving like this activities, polluting environment, polluting the air, water. So like this, what we have already the activities, we should reduce our activities, these activities. So that's why, so today topic. So what are the steps? What are the steps we have to follow to conserve our natural resources? So this is the today topic, children. So what are the steps we have to follow to conserve our natural resources, children? Let us discuss what are the steps, the main steps. Which are the steps? Then only our natural resources safe. So let us discuss one by the first one. So what is the main step? Which step is the main that we can take? So let us go first one. We should use more renewable resources, children. We should use more renewable resources like wind energy, solar energy. So like this resources we should use more, because the renewable resources are come back in the nature again after we use it. You already know. That's why, as possible, we should use always the renewable resources. That is the important step, children. And second step is use public transport, children. This one also very important step to conserve our natural resources. Use public transport whenever possible. If possible, instead of using your own vehicle, because all we are using, the many people are using bikes, car like this. They are own vehicles, but instead of using sometimes own vehicle, if any long distance, then we have to use the public transport like bus, trains, like this. These are the public transport, because it can reduce the usage of fuel. It can reduce the usage of petroleum. That's why petroleum also is one of the natural resource, but that is a non-renewable resource that is not come back again in the nature. Once it burn, it never come back. So that's why this step, it can reduce the usage of the fuels. This step, not always, if possible, use the public transport. So this is the main step to conserve our natural resources, children. And another one is use bicycle for short distance. Use bicycle for short distance. You know, all of you, bicycles. Cycle, when we have to use cycle, if our distance, if you going, for example, if you going to your friend home, if your friend home is very near to you, then you have to use the cycle. If the distance is very short, then you have to use the cycle. If distance is long, you can use the bikes, but sometimes as possible you have to use the bicycle. So it can also reduce the usage of fuels. So this is the important step, children. And follow 3 R's. Follow the 3 R's. So what is mean by 3 R's, children? Here, follow the 3 R's. 3 R's means here 3 R's. 3 R's. That means reduce, reuse, recycle. This is the meaning of 3 R's, children. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce means here we should reduce our needs. How much our life is depend on natural resources. So that is so much that the each one activity it is depend on natural resources. That's why reduce our needs. Reduce the using the natural resources most of the time. Reduce, that is the usage. And reuse. The second one is reuse, means use again after the using the material. Resources, which resources use again that possible resource, again the waste material also we have to use again if it is if again it is coming to using. So then that time we have to use again those materials. That is the reuse it. So whatever the material, if it is again useful, if it is again come to useful, then we have to use again that material. That is the meaning of reuse, children. And recycle. The recycle means the product of the new material from the waste material. What we have waste material in our home, that we have to make a new material from the waste material. That is the meaning of recycle. So this is also very helpful for to saving resources or energies. So this is the meaning of the reduce, reuse and recycle. So it can also, these 3 R's also can save our natural resources, children. This is one of the steps. And utilize solar energy if possible. Always it is very important, because solar energy, what is meant by solar energy already you learned in our previous classes I explained in detail also. Solar energy, the energy which formed from the directly from the sun. Energy which we are getting from the directly sun is called as a solar energy. So that solar energy is abundant in the earth's surface. It is always available and it is one of the renewable natural resources. It come back again in the nature. So that's why always we have to use this solar energy, children. This is very useful to us, and it can reduce this one also. It can this one of this step also it save the our natural resources. This step, so using the solar energy. This is the alternative source of the other. We are using the petrol like this. So that's why solar energy is one of the important using this important step. And next one is switch off lights and fans that not in use. So this is very important, children, because all we have practiced only if we are not using the lights and fans simply on it daily, simply we put on and going outside. So this is the bad habit. So we have practiced good habit when not using light and fan. If necessary, if we need, then only put the on lights and fan. Otherwise, switch off lights and fans when not in use. It can also reduce the non-renewable sources. Lights and fans, these are also natural resources, because the electricity generated by coal also, and electricity generated in various way. Electricity generated from the coal and water and solar. So the electricity not coming directly, that is produced from the one of the sources. So that's why this step is also save our natural resources. And next step is do not waste the water. So this is the commonly children, the do not waste the water, because you may have seen your area that many times the water tap in the water tap water is flowing on the roadside. So that is not a good, because simply wasting the water is not good. We have to limit our using water. If need, then only we use the water. Otherwise, don't waste the water, because water is one of the natural resources. So like this, there are many steps are there to conserve the natural resources. Apart from these, there are many. You also think and you also create. You also think and say what are the other steps are there to conserve our natural resources, children. So this is the last topic of in this lesson, that is conservation of natural resources, children. And with this topic, the chapter is totally completed with this topic. And let us realize once all the main topics of in this lesson. The first topic is water natural resources. What are natural resources, children? Already you know the natural resources are the valuable things which are provided to us by the nature. Because they are available in the nature. They are naturally occurring sources. For example, trees and plants, animals, water, air, etc. Already we have discussed. And these natural resources are classified into two types. One is renewable natural resources and another one is non-renewable resources. What are renewable natural resources? Resources are those which they are not exhausted. That means they cannot be used again. The resources are come back in the nature again, that can be used again, that can be used again, those resources are called as renewable resources. For example, plants, animals, water, air. And non-renewable resources they cannot use again after we use it. That means they are adjusted. They are adjusted means they are completing after we use it. So they are called as a non-renewable resources. For example, fossil fuels are the example. Like which are the fossil fuels? Petroleum, coal, and natural gas are the example of fossil fuels. So we have already studied in our previous class in detail. And afterwards, this is the last topic, that is conservation of natural resources, and this topic we have today discussed. So now this lesson is completed, children, and I think this all lesson completed in social study. In next any topic, if any other notes purpose, otherwise the revision we will discuss in our next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.